KG5 EIU. I'm going to show you how to load your LOTW certificate into K4 Control. So go ahead and show you how it's done here. Let's silence that. We've got K4 Control loaded and we've got our logbook. You can go get your logbook up here under the Tools window. You want to bring that up. Now you're going to need to have your LOTW set up, your certificate and TQSL all set up. I'm not going to go into how to set all that up prior to importing your certificate here in the logbook. But one thing you'll have to do is you'll have to export your certificate out of TQSL and give it a passphrase. The logbook here in K4 Control needs a passphrase. So go ahead and export that and save that out and remember what that password is. You're going to need it here in a little bit. So down here under logbook, once you get that open up, you're going to go to, first, logbook's pretty powerful. This is actually pretty good. You can set some filters here. You can drag and drop these different columns to change the order to however you like, as well as change the widths as you see fit as well. So, but let's get our certificate loaded here from LOTW. So under QSL, and what you want to look for here is the LOTW tab. And there's some preferences here. You can see I've already loaded my cert before, but look at the bottom here. It says no P12 loaded. So I won't be able to upload any files or any QSOs or any file up into LOTW without having that certificate loaded. So first thing to do to get that loaded, since you've already exported it and put a passphrase on it, is you go to Preferences. You'll need to fill out a few items here. Very important to fill in the username and password you use to log into LOTW website, and of course your call sign. From there, you're going to navigate to where your P12 file is. Here's mine right here. I've already exported it out of TQSL with a passphrase that I remembered, and I click open, and it's going to ask me for that passphrase here now. So I'll go ahead and put in my passphrase that I used when I exported it out of TQSL, right? And I'm going to hit done. And what you're going to see here is nothing. It's what happened. Like, did it load or not? Just click off over here under QRZ tab, for instance, and then click back over to LOTW. And you should see at the bottom, status certificate valid, and that should match what you have in TQSL. And it's really just that easy to load your call sign certificate from LOTW into K4 Control logbook. And from there, you can operate the logbook, upload, filter. Like I said, it's pretty powerful with these different filterings. I can filter here. I have filter all not sent. Here's all my sent items that I've sent up to LOTW. Here are all the entries that I've not sent to LOTW. So it's just that easy to load your call sign certificate in K4 Control for uploading to LOTW. 7.3 from KG5 EIU.